It's the Dell Dimension 4700 Part 2. We are now going to take a look at the expansion cards that are in the system. We're going to start with this one, which is a modem, and I'm taking this and putting it in. Great. That wasn't supposed to happen. I'm putting it in the office computer eventually. When exactly that's occurring, I don't know. But it's going to sit and wait for the day. When it, actually, I'll tell you when it's going in. When my CRT monitor finally dies. That's when it's going in. For some reason, I can't get that out, and I'm wondering if it's because the screw fell in there. Because I have no idea where it went. Is that it in the corner? Yeah. Got it. The modem is stuck. There. Okay, this... And I could see the box, and I just can't remember what it was. V92 PCI modem. I knew that. There. HayesMicro.com. This is a real, honest-to-goodness Hayes modem. Hayes. You don't know what that is? Take a look on Wikipedia. That'll tell you. That is the shit. I bought that. Over here is a TV tuner card, PCI. And we're removing that also. Besides the fact that it pretty much completely blocks the fan on the video card. Besides the fact that the video card doesn't have a fan and it's all just metal heatsink, we're taking this out. This is an AverMedia N. Yeah, that's what it says. It says N. It's a TV tuner card. It has, upside down, there we go. Oh, I don't know if I ever had that or where it is. Maybe it's somewhere. Audio in and out, 3.5 millimeter. A red video jack composite, S-video, TV. This is an NTSC tuner and remote. So there, I guess, was a remote control that came with this. I've misplaced it long ago. And the idea was you could run your cable in here or a video source and put a window up on your computer screen up in the corner and watch TV while you worked. And it could also capture video. I did capture some video with this, but I think it captured only an AVI, so the file was ginormous. It looks like a jumper or header that doesn't seem to say anything. Reason we're removing this card still works, and there is nothing wrong with it. And as a matter of fact, I bought this card brand new. I don't remember exactly the date, but I bought this card absolutely brand new back in the day. It worked under XP for sure. It may have had support for 98 as well, and maybe Millennial and 2000, but not positive. It says it's made in Taiwan. I bought this at Tiny Middle before I worked there. And it was also interesting because every now and again, the intercom, the overhead page in the store would come on, and I would hear a very pleasant female voice Peripherals, you have a call on 5000. Peripherals, 5000. And that was it. And then you would get another page over that sometime later. General sales, you have a call on 3000. General sales, 3000. Very, very pleasant female voice. And years later, when I got hired, I met that voice. All I could tell you is her name was Mary. Mary was blind. Not really blind, but she was legally blind. She can't drive or any of that. And she had a big magnifier thing on her computer to make her be able to see stuff. And eventually, it was such a shame because she was like a fixture in the store. She was there since the place opened and had worked there fucking forever. She was always there. She never called out sick. She was just the perfect fucking employee. She got more and more crotchety as the years went on a bit, and a bit crankier, but that voice was really nice, and guys used to call up and fucking hit on her. So what are you doing after work? Just because of her voice, I swear to God. Her, you know the nursery rhyme Mary Mary? Her looks were quite contrary. We'll put it that way. Mary wasn't that pretty per se, but that voice was gorgeous. That voice was absolutely gorgeous. I am making the mistake now of pulling the video card. And I'm doing that this has a Gavunjka that I don't know how to operate. It's there. Okay, it's stuck in it, and I forget how to remove it. But it tipped up, and it's a red video card, so it's probably ATI. And it has, wow, first of all, it has a dent in the heatsink. I don't know if you could see any of this. Yeah, it has a little dent there. I didn't do that. And it is PCI Express, and that I knew. And I forget how to work the little Gavunjka, and I don't have enough light to see why the Gavunjka does not want to go. And I think I broke it now. There. I got it. Okay. So here it is. VT3450 PCI Express 512 megabyte HDV, H/D/V. This card has VGA, HDMI, and DVI. The best you could fucking get, and also exactly what I need. Because the machine in Club J that died, VGA and DVI. And that's exactly what I need. So this will work as a suitable replacement if the damn thing itself still works. Complies with Canadian, well, it's definitely ATI. Warranty invalid if removed. And I don't know any other details about this card, where it came from, or anything like that. Oh, I was mentioning one other thing about the TV tuner card. That does not have any drivers past Windows XP. So it has been a vestigial organ in the system ever since. We are going to reinstall the video card. I just took it out really to show you and try to remind myself how this all works, because it's been so long. Now it doesn't go back in, so that's your fault. It'll help to line it up first. There. Well, it was lined up. There. I think I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, huh? Yeah, that's good. 1, 2 blown caps there. There's 1, 3, 4. At least 4 blown caps on this thing. It's good stuff. Quality system. Alright, we got that back. That's good. I will ultimately put the modem from the other system in here, but like I said, I'm not doing that anytime soon. I think all the rest is good, and we're up to the power supply, so I might as well hit the dust out of that while I'm at it. And also I want to clean up over here this stuff, so I'm going to take a little break and I'll be back. Alright, it's time to put the power supply in. So that's real easy. It just goes in just like that. Screws will have to go in, so let me take care of that off camera. Okay, time to lace this up. Make some sense out of this. Is that literally a loop? No, it's caught on that. There, that's better. So Seder, Molex. This is the 4-pin. You don't need that. 24-pin, you don't need that. And this is Molex, Seder. Maybe that's why the power supply wasn't, the floppy drive wasn't plugged in. Well, it's what's here, so that's what we're going to go with. I should try to do this the right way. Not that these drives actually work. Yeah. This is the tighter one because there's no room because of the power supply. There it goes. You ever hear that expression? Work smarter, not harder? I hate that expression. So what I'm going to do is work smarter and fart harder. Here's a light. This was the Yaklim China light. I don't know. It's going to work. Yeah, it says it's connected. That's good. This plugs in over here. Oh, look at that. You can see now. And this is a Seder connection, but I'm really surprised that this does not have a floppy at all. It just doesn't. So what we'll do is leave that, and we're going to take this, that's Molex, and this is Seder, and we'll connect up the Seder to the Seder connection, so it's Sedered there, and we're going to make believe that doesn't go like that, and we're going to make believe it's mounted, okay? So that just is how that goes. We'll put that there. This will fold out of the way. And we're going to take this guy and come down and weave our web as you do. See here, yeah. Oh, that's kind of in the way. There, that's better. There are no burned connections on the board. I have seen that before. Nothing is burned. Everything is perfect as far as that is concerned. The 4-pin, this guy, maybe we'll sneak it around the front. I think would just be better, maybe. I don't know. And that plugs in right there. Good. Okay, so we got that. And that is making believe it's mounted right there. We gotta put the fan in. The fan connects back over there. This fan is the only thing that held this system together. This, do I have a paper towel? Yeah. Still got dust on it. Okay. This fan, I don't know who makes it. Nidec? Nidec. It's a Beta 5. Beta V. Okay. And this fan has been running at full tilt-a-whirl for years. This is not like the older ones of the 92mm variety that Dell would use that had a thermistor on the fan, and that's how they would control the speed. Instead, this is controlled by the system. It is a 4-wire connector, 4-pin connector with 3 wires. I'm sorry. Let's try that again. It's a 5-pin connector with 4 wires, is what I wanted to say. And the system controls the speed of the fan. How that works, I don't know. But typically I can tell you that once this thing would rev up, it wouldn't unrev. And it would stay going out of control, top speed, until it was rebooted. I attribute that to the broken capacitors, the blown capacitors, you know. But I don't know. It goes this way. Let's see if we could just sort of it. And it's got to line up somewhere. It used to line up. Do I have this backwards or some shit? No, that's right. It doesn't go any other way. I just can't. There it goes. One. Well, if it got one, the other can't be far behind. This came out so easily. It just clips in, for shit's sake. Wow. That's a pain in the ass. I don't know why it's not wanting to play. Okay. Alright, let me struggle off camera. Okay. That's it. We're all set. Perfect. It's off. Get all the shit out of the way. I think we'll get a monitor. I might have to put it there. I don't know where that'll work. We'll put a monitor here somewhere and hook that up and see if it powers on anymore.